Hey friends, if you encounter this error undoing changes made to your computer, then please watch this video. Now, ideally, if you are already in this process, let this process go through. There's no need to discourage it. Why? Because you can restore your system later anyway. But if you really want to stop it at that point of time, then force restart your computer. So right click on the start button, select shutdown and sign out and select restart, or press the power button for a very long time till your computer shuts down, and then you can start it again. And the next one is obviously system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery, open system restore, click on next, choose a good restore point, click on next, click on finish, and finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.